Here I've got Spiphone A10 Pro, and let me show you how to perform a factory reset on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and select Backup and Reset. Now go to the last tab, which is Factory Data Reset, click on it, and if you truly want to erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and all the other user data, click on Reset Phone. Now you have to confirm this decision one more time, as this operation cannot be undone. So if you truly want to do it, click on Erase Everything and patiently wait until it's done. And that's it, you've just reset your device. Now you can set it up from the beginning. So that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.